Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off keyboard vibration in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Go to the typing interface of your phone. So I go to Google Chrome and I would like to search something, and I use this Samsung keyboard and I experience vibration while typing from the keyboard. If you want to turn off this keyboard vibration, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here and then go to sounds and vibration here and go to system vibration, and here you will see Samsung keyboard vibration button is turned on, and just turn off this button. Now go to the same typing interface and type something from the keyboard, and you will not experience any vibration hereafter. I don't have any vibration as of now because I have now turned off that settings. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.